Oh, look how dark I am. I'm sorry if you can't see me, but welcome to my channel. Okay, you guys, I am literally parked next to my mom's house getting ready to pick up my daughter, but I wanted some place to eat real quick, really in the shade so I can eat my food. Today, you guys, I'm back at it with that unhealthy food, McDonald's. I ordered a small fry. This fry is really dry. These fries taste old and cold. I know I was driving around looking for a place to eat, but goddamn. This car bomb ain't nothing special. I just want somebody here with me while I eat my food. Small fry. You know, that's what some people call me. It's $5. I don't blame you. I'm only 4 or 5. Some ice water, y'all. And the one, the only, McChicken add tomato. I'm recording this video with only 20% on my phone. I just got back from a job interview. Oh, what's that? Oh shit, she slayed them edges. If you watch my other video called I ordered my favorite thing at McDonald's, you're gonna know this is my go-to meal right here. I'm just trying to figure out why this food's so fucking cold. My mom had a park across the street from her apartments, and they setting up the stuff. I think it's called Movie in the Park. They do like a movie, large screen TV movie in a park. I think once a month. Who knows? It might be once a week. Let's put some ketchup on this bitch. Oh, you know what video I really want to do? Subway. That is on my next to-do list. Subway mukbang. I hope everybody's day is going very well. I just want to let every single one of you guys know that you guys are special in your own way. And don't let nobody tell you otherwise. If you praise the Lord and stay positive and speak positivity into others, you will receive your blessings. Do not dwell on the bad. that is vibing on those low vibes. Only negative things happen on those low vibes. Stay positive. Mother, did I ask you to come and visit me? No, go back home. Y'all, I just seen a meme on the internet. It said, if you order fried shrimp from McDonald's, I know you don't care about your life. And that shit was funny. Y'all, if I'm extra dark in this video, it's because I'm in the shade. Yep, I'm in the shade. I'm in the shade. That's where I want to be at today. Whew. It's going to be a real quick video, y'all. I just want to stop in and say hi. Make sure I don't miss a day on my uploading. And I'm starving. I don't know how many calories I'm eating today, but I got an ice water, a small fry, and a McChicken and tomatoes. I'm about to go put this in my calorie counter, and I'll put it on the screen right here. Got mayonnaise though. I bet you, if you download a calorie counter app, punch in everything that you eat today, you're going to be blown away how many calories you're actually eating. I know I was. I was eating close to 3,000 calories. What the hell? Eating whatever I want, when I want, however I want it. I punch that stuff in there. Some of that stuff is like really high in calories, y'all. They put too much mayonnaise on this one. It's my last bite of my sandwich. I'm gonna get some fries first. I'm getting ready to end the video that fast. I just wanted to send my positive vibes out there, guys. I love everybody. I hope everybody's having a great day. If you're not having a good day, find something good about it and stay there. Even if you got like, if your whole day is going bad, but your hair is cute, then your hair is cute, girl. You look good today. Just stay that way. If your whole day going bad, but you found $1 on the floor, then girl, you was $1 richer than you was before. Yes, girl, that's positive. Stay there. My next video that I record is going to be a subscriber shout out because yes, I hit my goal. Time to shout y'all out. Thank you for all your support. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join my team. If you are an old crew member, don't forget to go find that bell button so you can get a notification every time that I upload so you won't miss a video, or you can be the first one to watch my video. Notification bell is important, y'all. Thank you for each and every one of you guys' support. I love you. Comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Bye.